Now we are going to evaluate all six trig functions of an angle just given the one trig function of the angle. In this case, tangent of the angle is 3. So it says it's an acute angle. That's important because that means we can draw it within a right triangle, because acute means less than 90 degrees. So it will fit very well into this right triangle. There's theta. You can put theta wherever you want as long as it's not the hypotenuse. So the given is tangent of theta equals 3. So I would always think of these as fractions. So I'm thinking of it as 3 over 1. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So go to your angle theta. That would mean the opposite side is 3, adjacent is 1. We need to find the hypotenuse. So we're going to use Pythagorean theorem because it's a right triangle. So the hypotenuse squared equals 1 squared plus 3 squared, or hypotenuse squared equals 1 plus 9. Hypotenuse is the square root of 10. Plus or minus the square root of 10, but we're in this right triangle. We're going to use the positive root 10. So now we're set. Now we can find all of the other trig functions just with SOHCAHTOA and inverse properties. So I'm going to write them all down. Sine, cosine, tangent in SOHCAHTOA order. And then the reciprocal is next to them. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. Secant's reciprocal of cosine. And cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. So let's, according to the triangle, and inverse trig functions, write down everything we know. Or reciprocal trig functions, I meant to say. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse. And if you rationalize that by multiplying by root 10 over root 10, you will get 3 root 10 over 10. Cosine is adjacent to the angle, which is 1 over hypotenuse. If you rationalize that the same way, you will get root 10 over 10. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, which is 3 over 1, but of course we already knew that. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine, so you just flip the fraction here. I'm going to flip this fraction so I don't have to re-rationalize the bottom. So it's just root 10 over 3. Secant is the reciprocal of cosine, which is root 10 over 1. And cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, so 1/3, and that is it. It's pretty easy. That's all there is to it.